Roberto Di Matteo believes his Chelsea side have been unfairly branded the worst team in England this season.
The caretaker Blues boss Di Matteo has overseen a remarkable resurgence since he took charge in March.
With the club still harboring ambitions of an FA Cup and UEFA Champions League double.
But there was some criticism of Chelsea's supposedly negative tactics in Wednesday night's Champions League semi-final first-leg victory over Barcelona.
Arsenal manager Arsene Wenger then questioned their approach in Saturday's stalemate at the Emirates Stadium.
And these claims come after regular accusations of the Blues' old guard no longer being up for the challenge this season.
Di Matteo has kept his own counsel, but when it was pointed out that Manchester United had been praised for their handling of veteran midfielders Ryan Giggs
and Paul Scholes, the 41-year-old admitted his frustrations.
"Thank you very much. Thank you very much," he said.
"What can I say? From where I'm sitting, we're 1 point now behind Tottenham in the final of the FA Cup and semi-final of the Champions League, and we seem to be the worst team.